This is the process for an outco going through for Wales. It starts with the Welsh Assembly Government reaches agreements with Whitehall on the text of the proposed order. It starts a bit way down the road, actually. You know, we are already agreed on the order. And then it goes through various permutations, 10 stages, and as you can see, arrows in every direction, all kinds of possibilities for messing up, for misunderstanding, for disagreements, including stage 7A, rejected by the Assembly, order falls, and many other permutations of messing about, so that our National Assembly, trying to get an order through, will have to face that sort of process every time. 10 months in this case on an order that everybody agreed upon. What would happen, what will happen, I ask you, when there is some disagreement. Now, just contrast this with the Scottish model, and here is the visual aid again produced by Dr. Ian Johnston, and it's fairly simple for Scotland. It says, get on with it. If they want to pass a law, they just get on with it, without having to go begging for permission